In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable AMOLED dark theme in Discord. If you want Discord to look cleaner, darker, and a little easier on the eyes, this is a quick setting worth changing. The AMOLED style dark theme gives you a deeper black appearance, which can look especially good on OLED and AMOLED displays. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it inside Discord and how to switch to it smoothly. First, go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your servers, channels, and conversations. Make sure you're fully loaded into the app before moving on, so all the account and settings options are available. Once you're on the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile. This is where Discord gives you access to your personal settings and account options. If you don't usually open this menu, take your time here and make sure you select the profile area correctly. After that, click on Edit Profile. This takes you into the section where you can manage how your account looks and feels. Even though the theme setting isn't the main focus of the profile page, this is part of the path that leads you into the right customization area. Next, click on the Profile section. This brings you further into your user settings, where Discord groups together different personalization options. Depending on your version of Discord, the layout may look slightly different, but the labels should still be very similar. From there, look to the left-hand column and click on Appearance under the Experience section. This is the area where Discord lets you customize visual settings, including how the app is displayed on your screen. If you're trying to reduce brightness or make the interface feel more modern, this is the right place to be. After clicking Appearance, click on Theme in the left-hand column. This opens the theme options available for your Discord interface. Here you'll usually see the default theme choices and possibly a preview of how each one looks before you apply it. Now under default themes, click on a new theme. If you want the darkest possible look, choose the black theme. This is the option that gives Discord that AMOLED style dark appearance. Once selected, the change should apply right away, so you can instantly see the difference. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord theme to a darker style. If you spend a lot of time in Discord, this can make the app more comfortable to use, especially in low light or at night.